Upgrading your home's windows is one of the most impactful ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and overall value. And for homeowners in Des Allemands, double-hung windows are an especially smart choice. Known for their versatility and timeless appeal, these windows offer a range of benefits that align perfectly with the region's climate and lifestyle. Improved ventilation for humid climates. Des Allemands experiences warm temperatures and high humidity for much of the year. Double-hung windows are designed with two operable sashes, one on top and one on the bottom, which means you can open both at the same time. This allows warm air to escape through the top while cooler air enters from below, creating natural airflow throughout your home. Better ventilation not only enhances comfort but also helps reduce indoor moisture levels, which is essential in preventing mold and mildew. Energy efficiency that lowers utility bills. Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners, especially in areas where air conditioning is used frequently. Modern double-hung windows come with advanced features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help keep cool air inside during hot months and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills while maintaining a consistently comfortable indoor environment. Easy cleaning and maintenance. One of the standout advantages of double-hung windows is how easy they are to clean. Many models are designed with tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean both the interior and exterior glass from inside your home. This is especially beneficial for multi-story houses, eliminating the need for ladders or professional cleaning services. The low-maintenance design also means fewer hassles and more time enjoying your home. Enhanced safety and security. Safety is always a concern for homeowners, and double-hung windows offer practical features to address it. Because you can open the top sash independently, you can allow fresh air into your home while keeping the bottom sash closed, an ideal setup for families with children or pets. Additionally, modern locking mechanisms and reinforced frames provide added security, giving you peace of mind whether you're home or away. Classic style that matches any home. Double-hung windows have a timeless design that complements a wide variety of architectural styles, from traditional homes to more modern builds. In Des Allemands, where homes often reflect a blend of southern charm and contemporary living, these windows fit right in. They are available in a range of materials, finishes, and grid patterns, allowing you to customize the look to match your home's aesthetic perfectly. Increased property value. Investing in high-quality windows is not just about immediate comfort, it's also about long-term value. Double-hung windows are a popular feature among homebuyers because of their functionality, energy efficiency, and ease of use. Installing them can boost your home's curb appeal and make it more attractive in the real estate market, should you decide to sell in the future. Durability. Built for local weather. Homes in Des Allemands must withstand varying weather conditions, including heavy rain and occasional storms. Double-hung windows are built with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood that resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. Many options also include weather-resistant seals that help protect your home from drafts and water intrusion. A smart upgrade for everyday living. Choosing double-hung windows is more than just a design decision. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. For homeowners in Des Allemands, these windows provide practical solutions tailored to the local climate while enhancing the beauty and value of the home. Whether you're planning a full renovation or a simple upgrade, double-hung windows offer benefits you'll appreciate every day.